Okay, the case style, Florida Carry Incorporated versus the City of Miami Beach et al. Case number 19-CV-22303. This is the videotape deposition of Officer Michael Garcia. This deposition is taking place at 1700 Convention Center Drive, 4th floor in Miami Beach, Florida. Today's date is November the 20th, 2020. The time on the video monitor is 10:48 a.m. Would counsel please state their appearances for the record?
Eric Friday for the plaintiffs.
Bob Switkus for the officer.
Please raise your right
Rob
hand.
Rosenwald for the City of Miami Beach.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm this testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You are Officer Michael Garcia.
Correct.
And Officer Garcia, how long have you been with the Miami Beach Police Department?
8 years.
Have you worked anywhere as a police officer prior to that?
No.
Where did you go to your law enforcement academy?
Miami-Dade College, Kendall campus. I mean, North Campus, excuse me, my mistake.
Miami-Dade North Campus?
North Campus, yes.
Upon your employment, or let me back up, during your academy training, did you receive a book that is created or published by the Miami-Dade Police Sheriff's Office that contains a summary of Florida criminal laws?
It was a Florida statute book.
Did you cover and read that book as part of your academy training?
We had a section of law that they came in and taught.
Did any of that section of law in your police academy training include dealing with lawfully armed citizens?
To my recollection, they talked about firearms.
So they talked about firearms.
Talking about firearms and how to deal with people with firearms, if that's what you're asking.
Okay. Did they talk about how to deal with criminals who were armed with firearms?
Yes.
Did they talk specifically about how to deal with people who were carrying lawfully under Florida state law?
I can't remember.
You can't remember if they did or didn't, or...
Remember if they did or didn't, sir.
Since your academy training and before the incident on June 24th, 2018. Let's back up. If I say the incident on June 24th, 2018, you understand that is the incident that is the subject of this lawsuit.
Correct.
That occurred on the Miami Beach South Point Pier.
Correct.
Between your academy training and the incident on June 24th, 2018, did you receive any supplemental training from your department about dealing with citizens who were lawfully carrying firearms?
No, not to my recollection.
Officer, do you have now or have you ever had a Florida concealed weapons firearms license issued by the Department of Agriculture?
Are you talking about me carrying
Yes, sir.
a concealed one? I have a concealed weapons license.
Okay. When did you get that CWFL?
I can't remember off the top of my head. It's been already probably a few years.
Okay. Do you know if you had it on the date of the incident we're here about today?
I believe so, yes.
Do you remember, as part of the application process for getting, you did an application to get that license from the Department of Agriculture?
Yes.
Okay. In that application process, do you remember signing an application that you were swearing to under oath?
I believe so, yes.
Okay. Do you remember language on that application that specifically stated you had read and understood Chapter 790 regarding Florida firearms laws?
I cannot remember.
Okay. But if I showed you a copy of that application, you did do that application to get your license.
Yes, it's required.
Even as a police officer, you have to do that application to get that license.
As a police officer, I believe it's required for everybody,
Okay.
to my recollection.
All right. To get a concealed carry license,
Yes, sir.
it's required that you do that application.
Yes.
Okay. but you don't remember if there was that statement on there that you had read and understood Chapter 790 Florida
I
Firearms
cannot
Law.
remember at this moment.
Okay. Okay. Officer, do you know now, as you sit here today, do you know what specific statute allows you as a police officer to openly carry a firearm while you're on duty?
It would be that statute now,
What statute?
790.
Is it specifically 790.25?
Yes, sir.
And is it specifically 790.25 sub 3?
3H if I'm not mistaken.
3H.
sorry, if I'm not
That's okay.
mistaken,
No,
I'm not
no,
mistaken.
no, I'm not trying to trip you up here, officer. On
No,
this.
but I know it's 790.25.3, but I don't know if there's an H after. I can be wrong.
Well, I can tell you H is the hunting, fishing, camping exception. How about if I tell you it was 790.25 sub 3D? Was the sheriff, police officers, game wardens.
Okay, I know about the 790.25 subsection 3, but it said H, so I can be mistaken.
That's right. You've never had training on that prior to the date of the incident we're here about today.
No, sir.